experiencing thinning and drying hair, hair loss causing baldness, and still haven't found a solution? Don't worry about having Hisako's proper ingredient from nature: lotus, young tea leaves, raspberry essence, water. Hisako shampoo replenishes nutrients to strengthen hair. Hisako conditioner rebuilds hair structure and restores damage. Hisako hairspray stimulates and promotes hair growth. With modern production lines, application of Japanese leading CFC fast osmosis technology, Hisako products are recommended by top experts. After only 2 weeks of use, the hair will become smooth, strong, no longer broken, causing loss of aesthetics. Hisako products are recommended by top experts.